I never got blessed with the artist gene, so I was so excited when I found this watercolor flower workbook. This watercolor flower book has pre-made sketches so you can just focus on learning the painting and you don't have to stress about the drawing part. Each page is going to walk you through the blending, layering, and adding depth without needing to draw a single line yourself. It's kind of like a paint by numbers, but it's way prettier and it actually teaches you technique. I cannot believe I went from doodling little stick figures to this amazing watercolor. If you've ever wanted to pick up a new craft or even get good at watercoloring but you had no idea where to start, this is definitely your sign to grab this workbook. It's on sale today too, so I'll link it down below.